Okay, our next question is, how does everyone get everything done in one day? Guess what? They don't. Remember, it is important not to compare yourself to someone else's journey. Your goal is to only be better today than you were yesterday. It can be so hard not to get stuck watching someone else's journey. That is why you need to get those blinders on and just focus on you, your journey, your task that you have scheduled for today. So if your task for today is to declutter your silverware drawer, that's all I want you to do is see that silverware drawer, declutter it, and then you give yourself a pat on the back when you get it done because you just made it one step closer to creating a home you love. Remember the elephant. If you don't know my elephant saying, I've been using it all the time lately because I got so many emails from people saying that it was the first time this all made sense to them. So there's this question on how do you eat an elephant? And the answer is one bite at a time. Your room is your elephant. Your bite is the area inside of that room. Your job is to focus on just one area at a time. I want you to bite it, I want you to chew it, and I want you to swallow it, AKA identify it, declutter it, clean it, and organize it before you move on to the next bite or area. Only focus on that bite until it's done. You stay focused on that bite till it is completely done. I promise you, when you shift your mindset to just that small area, it is going to make everything else fall into place. Keep it small and only put your energy into that space while you are in it. This is pretty much how I did my entire home. Little pockets of decluttering sessions throughout my day, small areas at a time, working from start to finish in that area. And then those areas build on the next area and on the next area and on the next area. And before I know it, the entire room is done. And when that room is done, it is like the heavens have opened and the angels are singing on me. The sun is shining and there's a rainbow. All of those things happen. And I sit there like this. I did that. I went from hot mess to organized in that space. I was able to do that. Yes, it took an entire month, but I did it. And that is awesome. And that deserves to pay attention to. And you need to give yourself credit for every success that you have.